I'm over here at my pool equipment and I've got a replacement filter basket for this Pentair Intelliflo pump. It's a really nice filter basket. It's got the materials that are a little bit malleable, so they're gonna last. They're not gonna get brittle really quickly with all the chemicals flowing through it, whether it's acid or chlorine or whatever is going through. After a while, these become brittle and discolored, and they need to be replaced because they'll get cracks, and then you'll have things coming through, getting into the impeller, which could really damage your pump. So this works on the Pentair family of Intelliflo and Whisperflo pumps. To take it out and install it, all you got to do is turn off the pressure, obviously, to your system, turn off your pump, take off your cover like this, and then your original will come out like this. And you can see with mine, it's really discolored. I got to clean it out, obviously, but it also has some cracks on it, and it's getting brittle, and it's just really getting old because it's been in here for the original whole time for this pump. So this is a good one-for-one replacement, same dimensions, same type of filter and everything, and that basket fits right in like it should. And you're just going to take your cover, put it right back on with your O-ring, make sure that's seated well, and prime your pump, and then off you go. So it's a really good replacement. It's a one-to-one replacement for the Pentair family of pool pumps. I hope you found the video helpful, learn a little bit more about this product, and as always, I hope you have a great day.